Back to Ezichisha Bay Entertainment. Guys, I'm sure sonke siyazi into yoba uthando nesithembu uncut has been trending. This comes after ke segment kaTata Umseleku noMayeni, whereby they spoke about number one, abantwana ke bakaVuyokazi. Secondly, apho ke uTata Umseleku ebe confronta uMayeni emxelela into yoba mna ndareceiva i-call eshushu from umama kaVuyokazi. Mama kaVuyokazi ekhala inyembezi endixelela into yoba akayithandanga indlela ke uVuyokazi wena no Mpumelelo enimphethe ngayo. Now of course uVuyokazi did respond, guys, and ndiyipostile lo video whereby she shared open up inhliziyo yakhe and shared into yoba what is that information umhlawumbi eyamenza ingathi afile like wayengaphathwanga kakuhle nguMpumelelo and uMayeni. Uye wachaza into yoba kukhona i-account eyayivuliwe in her name, which was obviously a dummy account eyayithuka uMayeni ne-sisters zakhe. Later they found out into yoba it wasn't her. Khona i-abortion eyenzekayo, it was blame on her, she was called a witch. All these things, guys, ndiye ndayichaza ke on my last video. Now, I think uningi lethu we were waiting for either uMpumelelo to respond or to react, and also uMayeni to go ke ahambe nayo aresponde kulento ke ereleaswe nguVuyokazi. And the only thing that uMpumelelo has come forward to share after the entire trend is that I think he was channeling not utata. It sounds so wrong. And Jacob Zuma is utata. Ubabu Jacob Zuma gedlehlekisa, right? Whereby he was saying abanye benu bayokhala the time wayehamba. Yena ke uMpumelelo uthi abanye benu niyomangala. Obviously, if you are a person who can read ngaphaya umhlambe uthi, it can be 2050, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, when the entire truth comes out, abanye benu niyomangala. That's the only thing, right, he said. So you can interpret it ngendlela ofuna ukuyi-interpreta ngayo, right? But once again ke uVuyokazi naye uye waphendula some of the people that were coming forward bedefenda uMayeni, abanye ke according to what she says bemqhela kakubi, right? So the first person ke uthi uMayeni raised uMhlophekazi. The least you could have done is to notify her that you're taking uMhlophe for good. It's human decency. Waphendula ke uVuyokazi wathi raised uthetha into ongayazi wena. Now I did also see on TikTok people saying irrespective of whether you feel like akamrezanga, but there was a period whereby ekuhlalele nomntana wakho. Us baby mamas at times we can be really ungrateful. No one owes us that loyalty uba akuhlalele nomntana wakho. Siyayazi into ba many baby mamas umntana uvile afuqe kuwe. So if khona umuntu omthandayo umntanakho to such an extent into ba uzohlala naye, the least you can do is to be grateful no matter what happened between wena no tata womntanakho, right? Another person came forward and they said, so they were siding with Uvuyo, and they said it was definitely wrong of them to give half of the stories or not go into depth. If they want to share everything, must be shared to the end. You will be vindicated. The time has arrived, sissy, do not be moved. Waphendula ke uVuyokazi into ba that really pissed me off into ba kwi uncut they only shared a piece of information, and we as the viewers we were left to then basame ukuthi 1 + 1 is 7 yabona. We were left hanging. Another person said lol I bagithi. So andazi le comment ba is it negative or positive, but you guys will have to decide. So uthi ke usisi lol ayibakithi wasihlalela nje wena Vuyokazi kule relationship yakho nomlisa ngenxa yothando waphuma usukhathele wathatha ingane zakho kuphela lapho okunye nokunye okay, angiyifundanga yonke comment guys. Okunye nokunye utwayi lakho ntombi. If it wasn't for Umseleku mina ngabe angikwazi bandla. Okay, so it was Ibisiza, then it took a short curve. Then uVuyokazi wathi sharp ke. Okay, and another one said, Ivy, why are you talking about this now? Do you miss Mpumelelo? Is this your way of getting his attention? Leave the guy alone. He has a family and is a married man. You'll end up being labeled a bitter baby mama. I love you, but in this case, you do not have to dig up the past. Waphendula wathi, don't be stupid. Omnye uthi wevuyo khuza ama-fans akho ahlukane noTirelo please. So guys, there is also this trend, right? Kukhona le trend, right, whereby ke after uVuyokazi said kukhona i-fake account eyacreatwa ngegama lakhe, right guys? And so people have been guessing khona abathi nguVicky because uVicky waye jealous, kube khona abathi no nguSine Mseleko, andazi ba uSine ungenaphi guys. Kube khona abathi no, it's probably one of the wives cause babebona into ba uVuyokazi uyathandwa ngutata uMseleko and she's pretty, so she was becoming but in don't competition, and so they felt insecure. But literally uVuyokazi uyawachaza intoba utata uMseleko wenza uphenyo and found out that it's one of Mpumelelo's ex-girlfriend or a creator the fake account, right? So this person is saying weVuyokazi khuza ama-fans akho bahlukane noTirelo please, because they were now going to uTirelo. And then uVuyokazi waphendula wathi suphambana wena. Yay. Uselanda izindaba ezindala okwadlula lapho wahambisa ingane khona sekudlulile waqhubeka nesibindi sakhe mese ephoxekile ngokuthi akabi uNdlunkulu usebuyela back nonsense. Oh, not but nonsense. Wathi uVuyokazi usuthetha ikaka wena. The person behind the fake accounts was a he. I can dislow. Then waphinde wamxolela intoba no guys, she one of his girlfriends, right? Okay guys, I'm going to take the last two because I sana ebiphendula uVuyokazi. Omnye uthi yes, we know that you have been in a toxic relationship, but it's a past according to me. I think you have moved on, but when you write these things like this, it seems like you haven't moved on. You are doing well, I do not want to lie, so stop posting these things. You have to move on. I know it's not easy, but it's worth it. Just move on and stop dwelling in the past. Okay, waphendula uVuyokazi wathi bona why banga movie on. I man sana commenda ububhanqa. And the very last one, okay, that took the cup that has been going around and trending. Uthi ke usis Elizabeth, oh, do not forget that uMseleko made you. Problem you listen to your fans, awunayo i-backbone. Waphendula ke uVuyokazi wathi jonga apha ke sis Elizabeth, wathi ngumnqondo wakho wathi ngumnqondo wakho lo ongena backbone uyeva. So ndiqhela sisi Elizabeth. uVuyokazi is 100% heartful of the people that are saying ngabe asikwazi, ngabe asithethe nothetha ngawe. Had it not been of them Selego's introducing you phayana ke kwizingane zesithembu or uthando nesithembu. So yeah guys, this is what went on after uVuyokazi released her side of the story. Yeah, what do you think of Mpumelelo's reaction? Do let me know guys in the comment section. And also, what do you think of responses against Vuyokazi? Please do let me know down on the comments guys. Thank you so much for joining. Surely shortly, and yeah guys, bye.